Now, the leader of the Indigenous People of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, has been convicted and sentenced to life imprisonment for engaging in acts of terrorism. Justice James Omotosho gave the verdict in the absence of the convict, who was led out of court for disrupting proceedings through his unruly behavior. Judiciary correspondent Austin Anyabe reports.
The court found Nnamdi Kanu guilty, convicts and sentenced him to life imprisonment on count 1, 2, 4 and 5 of the 7 counts bordering on acts of terrorism punishable under the Terrorism Prohibition and Prevention Act of 2022 as amended. Nnamdi Kanu was sentenced to 20 and 5 years without fine in other counts. The court ordered that he should be kept in a safe correctional center in any part of the country, deny access to electronic gadgets, and have his radio transmitter forfeited to the federal government. Relying on the evidence of the prosecution, since the convict failed to enter his defense, the judge said the prosecution has proved that the convict is an international terrorist going by his actions, insightful comments on radio broadcasts, hatred for the Nigerian state, and even the people he claimed to be defending. The court held that his engagement in guerrilla warfare led to the death of several innocent people, including the former special advisor to Goodluck Jonathan, Ahmed Gulag, several security personnel, destruction of more than 160 police stations, 9 INEC offices across the country. The court, chronicling the evidence of the prosecution, held that the video and audio evidence proved that Nnamdi Kanu was not in any way agitating for self-determination, but merely terrorizing people, including the Igbos, having denied them opportunities to carry out their lawful economic activities. Justice Omotosho said he cannot hide under a repealed law and unlawful rendition to evade justice, as the amended Terrorism Act 2022 stipulates that all pending proceedings, punishment under the repealed law may be taken, while the unlawful rendition which the convict laid claim to is of no effect, having been arraigned in a court in Nigeria before he jumped bail and rearrested in Kenya. The court held that Nigeria remains an indivisible entity, hence any section agitating for self-determination must follow the laid-down processes.
Today, God has brought an end to injustice, oppression, suffered by our brothers and sisters of the eastern states of Nigeria. They will now be able to sleep with their 2 eyes closed. What is important is that every Nigerian must consider issue of security as his personal business.
The verdict is not consistent with the evidence laid before the court. The sentence is overbroad, cruel, and unusual. We disagree with the judgment vehemently.
Completely.
Yes.
And we are going to fight it from here onwards until justice is done.
Yes.
He said the convict has 90 days from 20th of November 2025 to appeal the judgment.